making lemon chicken, and you're gonna love this recipe because there's not a lot of ingredients. So first off, we have a dozen lemons. I'm just kidding. 2 lemons, 2 chicken breasts, butter, parsley, salt, pepper, olive oil, white wine, and flour. And that's it. So if you're going to the supermarket, all you need to do is pick up some chicken and lemons. Now let's make some lemon chicken. So let's do it. We're gonna cut up the chicken breast, and I'm cutting them in cubes, but if you want, you can cut them in fillets. Fillets? Was that with an A? Fillets? Just like that, nice big cubes. Now we're gonna sprinkle these with a little flour. This is gonna help thicken the sauce. Just lightly coat them with flour. That's it, prep work is done. Let's cook. So we got the pan on, it's nice and hot. We'll add in some olive oil. We'll add in the chicken. We'll give this chicken a little color. Just gonna cook it for a few minutes, just until the chicken has like a little golden tint to it. So you could see this one has it a little bit. Almost there. All right, so these look good. Now we're gonna add in some white wine. And we'll let the wine cook out. All right, so the wine is almost fully evaporated. I'm gonna season this up with a little salt, pepper. All right, so this is lemon chicken. So we're gonna use 2 lemons. One of the lemons, we're gonna zest it. You wanna use organic, unwaxed lemons. That looks good. Now this lemon, we're gonna go in with some lemon peel. All right, looks good. And now we're gonna put in the juice of 2 lemons. You could use your hand, or if you have one of these, squeeze it right into this. We'll collect all the seeds. So we're using all parts of the lemon. The zest, the peel, and the juice. All right, so we got a lot of lemon juice in there. Give this a little stir. All right. Now we're gonna go in with a knob of butter. Melt that in. All right, so the butter's fully melted. We're gonna add in some parsley. So you see there's still a lot of liquid in here, but the butter is definitely thickening up the sauce. So we're gonna turn down the heat, put it on really low. We're gonna put the cover on, and we'll let it cook for a little bit. So this has been cooking for about 10 minutes, and you could see there's like a magical moment where you have a creamy lemon sauce, and you could see it when I pull the chicken away. We're just about there. All the liquid, the wine, the lemon is like tightening up with the butter and the flour, and it's creating a nice sauce in here. And that's really it. I mean, if you want extra juice, extra sauce, you could add water, vegetable stock, but this is really lemon chicken. And I could show you this on here. You could see the flour, the butter, everything's starting to work together. And we have this creamy, juicy lemon sauce in here. And this would go great over rice. Serve it up with a little piece of bread, maybe some vegetables. This juice would flavor the vegetables, some steamed vegetables. I mean, look at that. So yeah, this is that magical moment. You could see the bubbles in there. You could see the sauce is nice and thick. We'll get this on a plate. All right, so while this was cooking on low for 10 minutes, I prepared this beautiful plate. So you're gonna need 3 lemons for this recipe, some parsley. All right, so this is it. Now this is lemon chicken. Look at that. Looks great. Really not playing around with this lemon chicken. We'll get a little bit of this juice on top. And that's it. We'll get a fork in here. Oh. That. Now I make this all the time, so I know what it tastes like, but you definitely need to try this. Perfect. It's really good. The chicken is tender. The lemon, it really hits you. So this is how you do it. This is lemon chicken. And you definitely want to try this one. It's perfect for like a weeknight, a quick dinner. Everybody loves it. Everybody in my family loves it. And it's really good using the chicken breast because the chicken breast has like a lower fat. So with the lower fat, you're able to bring in the butter and the olive oil to kind of offset that lean meat. And it really comes out tasty. It's so good. You definitely want to try this recipe. And if you do, let me know how you like it in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe.